and welcome back. Let's keep going and add more JavaScript. But before we do so, we want to make sure it's working. So what we will do right here, we will change this one and make console.log. This one will be for the info. And let's inspect. Okay, and then we will make weather result dot fetch weather. But we just need to change this one and make it any city. Let's make it Zagreb. So here, let's click and enter. So it gives me everything I need right here. So for the fetch, before you start anything right here, you click on everything you need. So we will need the description, we will need the ID for the icon, we will need the main. I think we will need the main. We need the speed and also the temperature. So let's see where the temperature is. Okay, the temperature, the clouds, coordinates. Okay, latitude, no, I don't want that. The weather object, okay, description, icon, and where is it? I think we can make a search right here. No. So where is the temperature? The temperature is inside. I think it was inside the main. So we need to search inside the main. Where is the main? Okay, the coordinates, weather, like that. We can make the screen larger and make this also larger because we want to get everything we really need inside this one. So we need to get the temperature right here, so we need to search for it. Let's search for the temperature right here. Okay, the coordinates, the main. Yes, so here we got the temperature and it feels like, and the temperature minimum and humidity. So the first thing we will do here is to take a screenshot from this because we will need it inside the JavaScript code, because here we are using a live server, so it will not wait for us to get it from here. So we need to get the info from here, and we will get it by the array method we used in the last project. So we took a screenshot right here and here. Let's make more. We can make a const of name of the city and make it equal the info, and that's it. And info dot name. So here I'm getting the name, but there's something different right here, is that I can make it like that, equal info, and this is equivalent to what we did for the const name equal info dot name. This is equivalent. And then const icon. So this one is to search for the const name, the const info dot name, and make it equal to the constant of name icon, and description, and make it equal to info weather. Weather is an array, so I will just take from it the 0. Okay, and then const for the speed, and for the speed we will make it equal to info dot wind. And for the last one we will use the temperature, the temp, let's make it temp, and humidity, and make it equal to info dot main because they were inside the main. Okay, so let's make a console log right here. Console log name icon description, and also we can make for the humidity or the speed as first, speed, temp, and humidity. Okay, so we can see what we have on the screen right now. We need to change this one. We already made it Zagreb. So hey, we didn't make that. So let's set this back again. This dot display weather. We will display it by the info. Let's see what we have on the screen when it's reloaded. It tells me we got a problem with this part. So what is the problem right here? So we need to check out this problem. Okay, we can try to fetch the weather right here. We can make here for the console, or sorry, weather result dot fetch weather. So now it works. It goes back with the name and for the icon and all of that. It works. We got no problem with this part. Okay, so now we don't need this one. We can delete it. And what we will do right now is to change the content. And if it works, we got no problem. Cities equal to, sorry, the cities.text content. Text content is equal to the weather in plus the name, and this will be according to the input. So let's keep going right here, and then after this part we will make the ic.source. We will make it equal to this link. It's not available now on the website, so we can just get it from here. And this is the icon that we got. Where? Here. Okay, and then after this part we will make the temperature dot text content, and we will make it equal to the temperature is like that, and then we will make it to the temp, the plus, temp plus Fahrenheit, because I think it was Fahrenheit. And then the description, so we can make here desk.text content and make it equal to description, and this will be for description. Okay, that's good. Humidity dot text content and make it equal to humidity plus humidity plus %. Okay, and for the last one, for the wind dot text content to be equal to wind speed, like that, plus the speed plus kilometer per hour. Okay, and this is for this part, and this is what the text content will be displayed instead. This is enough for this video, and in the next video we will add the search, which will take the value of the search and make it to another function. So good luck and have fun. So now this is the last video for this project. Now let's make a search and make it to a function. Actually, this is search. So here, this will be checking the value of the input. So this, which means for the value, this fetch weather document dot query selector. For the search, I am checking the value of the search. Okay, so I'm gonna take a value. So I'm getting this value. So this one its value. And then outside this function, I will make document dot query selector. I will choose the pudding. I think this is the only pudding we got. Yeah, the only pudding. A pudding dot add event listener. And for this one, click. Then a function. Open the bracket, open the parameters, and then I will call the weather result and make it for the search. So this is a sequence that you will use for each project in the fetch. Recently, or actually for all the projects using the fetch. So this code is all what you need. And for the Google, something like the Google, you will just go to the website, copy and paste the code, and implement it inside your code. That's all about the fetch and the Google. Let's test it right now. We can just type something like Zagreb, search. So here it's working, and this is the icon. We can search something like the let's call it New York. Okay, it doesn't change. What happened? Do we have a problem? Right here, I think New York is not defined. So let's try something like Tokyo. It doesn't work when I click on something else. So this is a problem, right? So let's try another one right here. What happened? Oh, we didn't change that. So let's change it right now. This was the problem. City plus. Okay, so let's see what we have now when I click on Zagreb. So we got this for Zagreb, and let's try for Tokyo. I hope it works right now. Yeah, now it works. And let's try for New York. And now it actually works. And we got no problem with that, and the project is working perfect.